Are you looking forward to make your hausa koko? Oh my goodness, in a perfect way. Then this video is for you. So we are going to prepare our hausa koko mix, and trust me, this is absolutely easy to make. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. You will love it here, so please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So I have my millet here, okay, and this millet, oh my goodness, contains a lot of stones and then chaff and then a lot of things that are not good, and we are supposed to discard it. So I'll go ahead and then add water to it, wash it very well before we proceed. So I washed it like 3 times, and this is where we have gotten to. Okay, so you see all those things you are seeing on top, they are all chaff. Trust me, they are not good ones. So we will remove it from the surface and then discard it. Okay, but before that, like I said earlier, I'll be washing it 3 times before I take you through the process. We are on all social media platforms, and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please follow us for more videos and you will love it. Okay, so after I washed it like 3 times, I can still see those things on top. So I'm just going to take everything out. So I am done with everything. We have Tree channel where we share the recipes in Tree language, so please follow us. The name is Recipe Goddess. It's on YouTube only. Okay, and then other social media platforms, we share short videos, which I know you will love it, so follow us for more videos as well. So I will take my time and then pick everything on top of it. So I am re-washing it again. Okay, I realized that there are a lot of chaff and then a lot of things that we need to discard. Yes, we don't have to blend it or add it to the recipe we are going to do. So as you can see on the screen, I just dip my hand in it like this, and then you see them on top. You may think they are good, but when you are here with me, you will know that it is not good. In fact, they are very light, and that is not good millet. Okay, with this particular millet, I got a lot of bad ones from it. Yes, so I'll continue with the cleaning and then make sure we remove everything out. In case my voice changes or I talk on top of my voice or I shout, please forgive me. Okay, there are a lot of background noise here, and that is why I'm talking like that. I do the voiceovers in pieces so that the noise will not come into whatever thing that I'm doing. Now this is where we've gotten to, and you can see that it is well cleaned, and we can see little on top, but it is well cleaned. Now with this millet, I'm very sure that the owner divided it into 4 and then took one portion. See, that is a lot of waste we are just going to throw away. Now we soak the millet overnight, and this is the next day. So you can see that we have some stones in there. We are not done cleaning it. Okay, we have some stones in there. What I did was I soaked it with the stones, because that day I was really tired and it was late. Yes, when it is exactly 9 o'clock, I should be in bed, whether I am done with whatever thing I'm doing or I'm not done, because something to be a just by the way. Now we are just going to remove the stones from it. Okay, so this is what I do. I fetch some in my hand and then I go through like how you are seeing, and make sure I do not add any stones to it till I get to the last one. So please just watch and then enjoy the video. If you have watched till this point and you haven't liked the video, please, what are you waiting for? They be waking. What are you waiting for? Can you please like it for me, share to others, and also can you please leave me your comments in the comment sections. So in the comment section, okay, you can see the stones. The way I am in a hurry to finish this voiceover because I have been screaming, keep quiet, I'm doing something, keep quiet. My breath, the background is very noisy, yeah, so just look at that. Very, 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 very bad. Yes, very bad, Ankasa. So I'll continue with it till I am done removing everything. At this point, I have removed everything, and it has left with something small, but I will make sure I get everything because I bought it. After that, I added some water to it in my blender and then blended it. So this is what we've gotten. I'll just go ahead and then strain it. Okay, so it is in my strainer and I'm going to strain it very well. You can use your normal strainer to strain it, and then when you are done, you use what do you call it, the chiffon cloth or the cheesecloth you are seeing on the screen, to strain it for the second and then third time. So when I poured it, what you saw under wasn't some of the stone. Okay, my blender did lazy job. Yes, because I did not use just one blender. Okay, I used two blenders, and the other one is very lazy, and it did a very terrible work. Yeah, so right now I'll just squeeze the milk and then or extract it, and then we proceed. Thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I'm so grateful. And should you get this video very late, I am very, very sorry, because the way I suffered the day before making this voiceover, only God knows. Yes, I'm so sorry. Now that is what we've gotten. Okay, we have squeezed it, and make sure you squeeze it very, very well. I know someone will ask me, what can you use the rest for? Maybe you blend it very well and then add it to your, what do you call it, you add it to your condo to prepare some banku, or to prepare some kinky. Okay, I have not done that before, but I'm just telling you. Now I left it on the countertop the next day, and you can see it has separated. Okay, I have the water on top, and then the food has settled down. Okay, now separate it, and I'm just going to keep both in my ziploc bag and then keep it in the freezer. Whenever I need it, I just pick it and then prepare it. So we use this to prepare a very delicious hausa koko, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you and some other recipes. Thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful, and you cannot afford to miss the next upload. So click on the subscribe button for more videos, or so that when we upload a video you can get notification, and share the video to others. Just look at the way the koko turned out. Absolutely perfect and lump free. I just love the way it is, very smooth, and just like the one we sell on the roadside. I love it. And then the family also fell in love with it. Those that I use this to prepare the koko for also fell in love with my koko, and they have been asking for more. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.